wins by way of knockout. He's making his 10th defense of the heavyweight crown. Introducing the undefeated, undisputed heavyweight champion of the world, the one and only Iron Mike Tyson.
Halo Sobat YouTube, jumpa lagi di channel Ompi Sport. Antara tahun 1985 sampai dengan tahun 1989, Mike Tyson menjadi idola baru dalam dunia tinju. Selama 4 tahun pertama dalam karirnya di tinju profesional itu, dia tidak terkalahkan. 37 kali pertarungan berhasil dimenangkannya, dengan 33 diantaranya adalah dengan menang KO. Dia dianggap sebagai petinju terbaik dunia dan salah satu petinju kelas berat paling ditakuti kala itu. Di usianya yang masih 20 tahun, dia memegang rekor sebagai petinju termuda dalam sejarah yang bisa memenangkan gelar kelas berat dunia.
I was trying my best to punch inside, but it just wasn't together today, and he was very intimidating.
Pada tanggal 11 Februari 1990, Mike Tyson bertarung melawan James Buster Douglas untuk perebutan gelar WBC, WBA, dan IBF kelas berat. James Douglas adalah petinju profesional kelas berat Amerika Serikat yang telah bertarung sebanyak 35 kali dan telah mengalami 3 kali kalah KO dari 4 kali kekalahannya. Melihat rekor bertandingnya ini, tentu saja James Douglas menjadi petinju underdog atau petinju yang tidak diunggulkan ketika harus berhadapan dengan Mike Tyson. Hanya ada satu kasino di Las Vegas yang berani membuka taruhan untuk pertarungan ini, karena yang lainnya beranggapan bahwa hasil pertarungan sudah pasti akan dimenangkan Mike Tyson.
I gave my comment of what had happened. I mean, by no means Buster fought a great fight. You don't want to take that away from him. You know what I mean? It would be cheap. You couldn't consider yourself champion somebody before like that.
Well, basically, I thought that it was bogus. I really didn't put any stock in it. And I figured that if it came down to me being stripped of the titles, and the public would know who the real heavyweight champion was. They would recognize me because they seen the results of the fight.
Pigeon tending was the primary hobby in Tyson's painful and difficult youth.
Pertarungan antara Mike Tyson yang tidak terkalahkan melawan petinju underdog James Douglas ini digelar di Tokyo Dome, Jepang. Ada tingkat emosional yang berbeda antara kedua petinju sebelum menuju ke pertarungan ini. Mike Tyson dikabarkan mengalami masalah pribadi dalam kehidupannya, rumah tangga yang berantakan, dan tuntutan perceraian yang diajukan istrinya, sampai pada ketidakpastian kontrak bertinjunya antara Don King atau Bill Cayton, membuatnya kurang memperhatikan sesi latihan sebelum pertandingan. Bisa dibilang secara mental dan fisik, Mike Tyson belum siap menghadapi pertarungan. Sedangkan James Douglas sedang berada pada puncak emosionalnya, karena 3 minggu sebelum pertandingan ini, dia kehilangan ibunya yang meninggal akibat stroke. Dia dikabarkan menghabiskan waktunya berlatih tinju untuk menghapus kesedihannya ini. Sekarang mari kita lihat bagaimana seorang petinju underdog, James Douglas, bisa menghancurkan rekor tak terkalahkan Mike Tyson. Walaupun sebelumnya dia juga terjatuh akibat pukulan keras Tyson, namun berhasil bangkit dan membalas dengan pukulan KO. Namun sebelumnya, silakan tekan tombol subscribe di bawah ini jika belum, sekalian juga dengan tombol loncengnya.
He would shock most of the world if he could make it into the middle rounds. Is a conventional fighter who likes to work behind a stiff left jab. Douglas. Tyson landing the jab again, and Mike missed. Keep in mind that Carl Williams looked pretty loose and relaxed against Tyson.
Up inside. In fact, he's doing a pretty good job here.
Another right hand lead by Douglas, and Tyson lands the left hook.
That was a good round. Douglas been doing a lot of watching films because he takes a move. He steps to his right, give a little angle.
Douglas giving his good. Another right hand lead lands for Douglas.
Douglas is throwing as opposed to the one big punch. And that's what Mike Tyson's doing now. Getting Mike Tyson to reach in. When you reach in, that's what
Another
happens.
good right hand and a good right uppercut and two more good rights by Douglas. I don't think I've ever seen Tyson absorb that kind of a 4 or 5 punch combination before in this
Pretty good chin, and he's compact. And what's happening every time Douglas throws a shot, in fact, it was a good body shot by Mike Tyson.
First good body shot he's... And listen to these numbers, guys. By punch stat computations, in the first 2 rounds, Buster Douglas landed 52 punches.
They have been, but also you got to get those hands back up. What's Douglas doing? He's not allowing Mike to get his punches off to the midset.
Tyson's trying to leap in behind near the middle of the chest. Douglas with another right hand to the top of Tyson's head.
Since Kevin Rooney hasn't been with Mike Tyson, that he's needed some answers from the corner. Let's see if he's got the right answers. They're trying to make him just fight, not look.
Stamina has been a problem for Buster Douglas throughout his career, and in the last 2 weeks he's been bothered by respiratory. He was extremely close to his mother. Right hand by Douglas right on Tyson's chin.
I wouldn't necessarily agree with that.
As you did.
Yes. Good enough hook by
Douglas
Douglas.
again with a left and a right. Now Tyson lands a right hand and backs Buster up, but here he comes.
Mike throws his punches. Mike is dropping his hand.
This is the round in which Tyson turned things around against Frank Bruno. Right hand by Douglas lands again. He's been very quick with it.
There's our right hand again. It's going to happen every time.
Another right hand, and now Tyson seems to be wobbled. Mike is not throwing back. Buster Douglas is completely dominant. It is partially closed. And that is from the right hand lead.
Title defense.
Now Mike doesn't get hit by lead right hand.
That's another round for Buster.
You're not closing the gap, Mike. You got to get inside by jabbing and moving your head. When you get in.
If this went on.
Clay and Braddock, not as big as this.
And that becomes a factor, especially for the very first time. Experience.
And the champion looks frustrated. Missed with the leaping left. Past the midway point of the scheduled 12 rounds. Few at ringside. Douglas with another.
The crowd would be in an uproar right now.
Here they are eerily silent. You have to go back that far to find something this shocking in a heavyweight title fight.
No combinations by Mike Tyson.
We're used to seeing Buster Douglas has neutralized him, frustrated him, beat back and win it.
Look at the punches.
These right-hand leads are not diminishing in effectiveness, guys. He is still landing just about all of them.
Double jab.
Douglas is dominating the action inside.
And Tyson is holding on.
I've never seen this happen before with Mike Tyson.
Everybody from Don King on down in Tyson's camp said it was no play acting, it was for real. Off this performance, I think you'd have to say yes, it was definitely for real.
The initiator. Here he's against the ropes. I've never seen.
And there's a right hand uppercut, and down goes Douglas. As suddenly as that. Still wobbly. Let's see what Mike can do to finish. And the bell ends.
Round.
Second down. Round 9.
He's had 60 seconds to recover. Clearly he was out on his feet as the bell sounded.
Clear that hair, clear those cobwebs.
Tyson misses with the right over the top. And Mike
Tyson's nearly closed now.
shades of Ray Leonard against Tommy Hearns. Douglas! Right to the body, he tries the uppercut again and misses. Douglas comes back with a left and a right. Coming back with a left and right. Tyson is wobbling. Tyson needs the ropes for support. Douglas wailing away. Without the ropes, Mike would have gone down.
Let's go.
Let's take a look. Two lefts and just Buster Douglas is just going at him. And what he's doing is what other fighters who have had and Tyson, to his credit, has stood in there and taken the punches.
Oh, what a right hand by Tyson. The one every boxing expert expected to see here. Who had every reason to come into this bout depressed and downtrodden, chosen to get in the shot that will finish things in.
Oh, the uppercut.
What an uppercut by Douglas, and down goes Tyson.
It's over. It's over.
Mike Tyson has been knocked out.
Unbelievable. History.
There seems to be a little pandemonium here.
In Las
Ini adalah pertama kalinya Mike Tyson dirobohkan lawan di atas ring, sekaligus kekalahan pertama dalam karir bertinjunya. Rekor tak terkalahkannya harus terhenti di tangan James Douglas, seorang petinju underdog yang telah mengalami 3 kali kalah KO dari 4 kali kekalahannya di dunia tinju.
Buster Douglas, inspired by the Douglas' mother, came on very strong. He had Tyson in trouble a few times. The uppercut. That pretty much was the bread and butter for this fight here. It wasn't just the power of the punches, but it was the accuracy and the number of punches that Buster Douglas threw.
Sustained accuracy all through the bout. For 10 straight rounds, he was sharper and crisper and more accurate.
Sekian dulu video kali ini. Terima kasih sudah menonton dan jangan lupa subscribe channel ini. Selamat beraktivitas dan sampai jumpa di video lainnya.